I'm the founder and the CEO of a company named Francaise, which sounds French because we operate small group tours in France, in various areas of France. We do a lot of wine tours, bike tours. It's new for us. It's our first year being a member of ETOA, and it's a long-term investment. It's my first participation to the Jam. So we've participated to pretty much all the events this year. Most of them were online, which is good in terms of quality-price ratio, which reduced the price a bit, and which allows to do all the events. Jam seems to be, it's just the middle of the day, but it seems to be a very qualitative event. Most of the key tour operators are there, so it's the time where you meet the key people we already work with and new partners. And actually, we're two of the company participating to Jam. So my colleague is doing the meetings, the pre-scheduled meetings, and I'm circulating around the tables to do new contacts. So it's very efficient. ETOA has a lot to offer, and if we take everything that it has to offer, there's a lot of business to do with partners all around the world, and mainly in North America. So we are going to invest in the coming years in ETOA events, not only in the events, but on everything that ETOA can propose on the website and all that the contact they have to offer.